Hi crafty friends, MelissaMinor here, and I have an unboxing for you. This is the Shimmerz Paints September Color Kits. So these are the dots. They're epoxy dot stickers that bring extra bling to your projects. And then these are some matte stickers, super cute. I love the little like home theme of the kit this month. So you get lots in there. And then you get this pre-cut ephemera, which I will set that aside and I'll open that up for you in just a moment. Now you receive a color sheet. So these are lots of fun. You can use your paints to color up all the images and then fussy cut them out to add to your project. So I really like that. And then let's take a look at the papers. So there's 18 designs, 9 total sheets. So they're double-sided here. So we've got this beautiful floral. And then we've got some green stripes. And then this one says love, love, love all the way across it. Now this one, let me see if I can pick these up to get a better hold on these. This one's just got, it looks like some leaves just all around the border. And then this next one here, we've got these black and white flowers. So you could actually use your paints and color those in if you wanted. And then we've got another stripe in a dark blue. We've got this fun circles with the pink. And then here is another like border coloring sheet. So that's going to be super fun. Let me flip these over so that we can see the other side. So we've got this pink checked paper. And then we've got this one here with the leaves. Let me hold this up so you can see those. Those are really pretty and just delicate. Another floral pattern with really rich color on that sheet. And then here's a gingham. And then this next one, here's some more black and white florals. So these are going to be fun this month to see if we want to color these in or just leave them like they are. And then, oh, that's a fun pattern with the yellow. And then this one just has some blue at the top and the bottom, or you could put it on the sides, whichever way you put your direction or your paper. And then this fun pattern with the red and then a polka dot. So lots of pretty papers. Now here's a look at all the ephemera. I went ahead and set this out. So look at the little coffee cups. There's little tea bags. There's a frame. There's this little cozy definition, I guess you'd call it. Some little laundry hanging, florals. There's a little kitten on the couch. So these are really cute. All right, let's go ahead and swatch all the paint colors. So the first one I have here, this is called In the Blue, and it's a Coloringz. Now Coloringz, these are highly pigmented sprays without the shimmer. So there's no shimmer in these. Oh, that's a gorgeous color of blue. I love that. Super pretty. The next one I have here, this is Mango Tango, and it's a Vibez. Now Vibez, these are sprays with shimmer in them. So you want to turn these upside down and just give them a good mix, not shake them, but just twist them. We turn them upside down so that the paint doesn't get in the nozzle. Let's see here. This is really pretty. Mango Tango. Now this next one, this is called Limoncello, and this is a Shimmerz. Now Shimmerz, they're already a liquid, and it's a water-based paint with shimmer. And I love yellows, and I think this might be my favorite yellow. There is so much shine in this, so much shimmer, and I don't think the camera is really picking it up, but this is definitely my new favorite yellow. Then this next one, this is called Red Necking, and it's a Creameez. Now with Creameez, it's a satin color, and I'm going to let that sit for a minute because you have to spray a little water in it to activate it. So we're going to skip now to this one. This is called Moss-terious Green, and it's a Vibez. So this is a shimmer spray. So you saw me turning that upside down to mix that one. And let's take a look here. So lots of shimmer in this, and that's a beautiful green. I love that. Okay, and then let's go back to this red necking Creameez. Again, Creameez is a satin color, so there's no shimmer in these. And you just spritz it with a little bit of water to activate it and let it sit. So now it's ready. And this is a real bright, vibrant color. And I love the names, they're so fun. All right, here's a look again at all the paints that come in the September color kits. Remember, if you add my name, Melissa Minor, to your order, Shimmerz will send you a free gift. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!